Muthenya thutha wa ungi thirikari ithiite na mbere kuruta mawatho meru ma guthaitira utambia wa king'uki kia murimu wa coronavirus bururi-ini. Makiria ihinda-ini riri namba ya andu aria mekiritwo mukonde kurwara murimu uyu ithiite na mbere na kuongerereka. Umuthi ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri kuhitukira CAS Masemwaga yugite mundu wothe urinyitikaga aunite mukaana wa kuuma utuku. Ariikagio ngono na guthing'iririo guikara keheri gwa thiku ikumi na inya mbere ya gucoka kuhingurirwo thitango.
All those who break the curfew rules will be assumed to have been in contact with suspected cases and hence will be quarantined for a period of 14 days. The government will hence carry out screening of truck drivers entering and operating in Kenya going forward. This will be done at roadblocks using a combined team of health and security personnel.
Hari ndumiriri kuri bururi muthenya wa ira minister wa Ugima wa Mwiri mutahikagwo ararutire mukaana kuri matereba aria makoretwo makihuthika kurugia andu mihaka ya kaunti iria ihingitwo na njira ya hitho. Umuthi thirikari iri wikenirira matereba othe na makiria turera maria baa gutabanirio ithimi cia murimu uyu mbere ya metikiritio gukira mihaka. Ihinda-ini riu thirikari ni ikumithitie gikundi kia andu aria makoretwo makiunganiire mbeko cia tunua na maniuru na guthie kuithambia na gucoka kwenderia Kenya. Tore bica cironania riu wothe makirutirwo mukaana mururu.
This is unacceptable and this is actually criminal. Together with this awareness, we're going to be rolling out guidelines on the disposal of face masks, and we shall crack the whip on anyone found endangering the lives of fellow Kenyans for selfish gains.
Maya mokite oriri namba ya arwaru a murimu uyu bururi-ini yongererekete nginya andu 270 thutha wa andu angi 8 kunyitikana na murimu uyu guku andu angi 2 makuite ihinda-ini riu na gukinyithia ikuũ 14 bururi-ini.
7 are Kenyans and 1 is a foreign national, and none of these cases has a history of travel. 3 emanated from our quarantine centers, and 5 were picked by our surveillance teams from various parts of the country. 4 are from Mombasa, 3 Nairobi, 1 Kajiado, and all aged between the ages of 17 and 65 years old.
Thini wa mathaa 24 mahituku muigana wa andu 1,330 niyo maratabanĩirio ithimi cia murimu uyu. Ino ario namba nene muno ya ithimi icio gutabanio ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 bururi-ini. Guku ningi thirikari ihithuritie thibitari ya Mwiri ya Kenyatta University iri na uhoti wa gutabanio ithimi cia murimu uyu.
I'm glad to also announce that we have 7 other discharges today, taking the number of recoveries to 67. And this is encouraging, and we hope that many more will recover. Sadly, however, we have lost 2 more, thus raising the number of total deaths to 14.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.